Over the past year, I realized everyone uses AI literally all the time, from school projects to just chatting about random stuff. But that's not what I'm talking about. So I was especially interested in a method in neural networks that helps to find the best answer among millions of options.
We all use electronic maps. Have you ever wondered how they find the shortest routes?
On quantum computers, this method solves problems in minutes. In genomics, this same method helps to model proteins and search for new drugs. For completely different fields, yet the same method, the principle of simulated annealing, also known as the method for searching the best possible solution.
The principle of simulated annealing is inspired by the physical process of annealing metals. First, the material is heated up and then slowly cooled down, in this way trying to find the most stable state. This stable state corresponds to the minimum of the energy graph of the metal. To find the global minimum, let's set the following: the starting temperature of the sword when it's very hot, the final temperature, and the number of steps during which we want to get the perfect sword. At each step of the algorithm, we'll randomly calculate the value f of x plus r, which represents the state of the sword. And if this state is less than f of x, we accept the move and switch to the new state.
It may seem that in this way we would easily reach the energy minimum, but it is not that simple. We might end up stuck in a local minimum, and escaping it can be difficult. Whichever direction we try, the energy is higher, and at this point the sword becomes too fragile. So, what should we do? Allow the system to make mistakes, but not always, only with some probability, also inspired by physics. So sometimes we let ourselves take wrong steps with this probability. This means that the hotter the system is, the more active it becomes and explores the whole graph. But as it cools down, it moves more calmly and looks for the nearest minimum, which with the right choice of parameters will be the global one.